Hey, y'all, this is Colt Ford, and you're listening to the Ride Through the Country Revisited Radio Special.
Average Joe's Radio.
Now, on the new Revisit album here, Ride Through Country Revisit, you have some of your label mates on here this time. And what's that like having, some of your actual peers from your label on this album with you? What does that mean to you?
Well, it's really cool. I mean, where our label has come to from where we started is kind of amazing for just a couple of guys trying to do an independent label that generally doesn't work. Not to mention we were trying to do an independent label with something that they said would never work. So having the Lacs on there, they've had it's been unbelievable the amount of success that those guys have had. And then we got a new artist, Charlie Farley, who's an Arkansas boy that's he's really kind of like a country version of Eminem coming out, and he's on one of the songs too. So, yeah, I mean, that's also important for me to take these artists that we're developing under our label and make them be a part of this as well. So to tie it all together, and that's really cool. I mean, and I'm excited about the future of our label and some of the things we got going, and it's awesome to see. Based on some of the things that I've been lucky enough to do, it's allowed some of them to do some things, and there's always artists before you that have done things that allowed you to be here, and so that's why having some of these people on the label and be a part of this is really cool for me.
Track 9, Tailgate.
We about to back it on up in the parking lot. Got the beer on ice and the grill is hot. On your mark, get set, baby, ready or not, we gonna get some. We got ribs and things, chicken and baked beans, plates and styrofoam. We came to get it on. Daylight and dark, whenever we all park, just get some. Cause everybody wants some tailgate. If you came here to party with baby, don't worry if you can't wait. We about to get started, so you better hurry up, it's too late. So come on, run, this is gonna be fun. Then pick up, run, and sit your bum on my tailgate.
I don't know how y'all do it. This is how we do it. Y'all come on. It ain't too late. I got the grill lit up. Come on.
Pull it to the spot and drive the tailgate. Got cans in the back, a dog and 2 chains. My feet just swing, I sit up tall. Gotta make a little room for them redneck bras. Not to get up in the back and just shake that thing. I kick back, smile and just drink my drink. Man, I just think it's funny how it all goes down. You can drop a tailgate and then hit show out.
If you came here to party with baby, don't worry if you can't wait. We about to get started, so you better hurry up, or it's too late. So come on, run, this is gonna be fun. Then pick up, run, and sit your bum on my tailgate.
This is how we do it. Tailgate anywhere, baby. It don't matter. Got the cold beer, the truck, the grill. We can get it on anywhere. Parking lot, football game, it don't matter. Concert, that's just what we do. Y'all come on down.
In the C71 or the F350, got a cooler in the back, bunch of blondes riding with me. Got some getting tipsy and some getting busy, and the law likes watching, so they ain't messing with me. Cause when we post up, we make them hold up, and when they hold up, then they start to roll up. City or the mud, getting bugged, getting crunk. It don't matter if you're stuck,